DJI Mavic 3 Classic drone with 4x3 CMOS camera for professionals, DJI RC 5.1K HD video, 46 minutes flight time, omnidirectional obstacle sensing, 15 km transmission range, smart return to home. Hi, welcome my friend. 4x3 CMOS Hasselblad camera. The legendary Swedish brand Hasselblad customized the L2D-20C aerial camera for the Mavic 3 series, embedding a professional-grade 4/3 CMOS into an incredibly compact space. 5.1K HD video, professional-grade imaging performance for sharper details. It can also record 4K 60 frames per second pictures through oversampling technology. Compatible with Mavic 3 series batteries for up to 40 minutes of hovering and up to 46 minutes of flight time, empowers creators to capture more content with less worry. Omnidirectional obstacle sensing. With APAS 5.0, Mavic 3 Classic can detect objects in all directions at all times during the flight and smoothly avoid obstacles, making flights exceptionally safe. Mavic 3 Classic offers a 15 kilometers, 9.3 miles maximum transmission range. This extends shooting possibilities with stable signal and crystal clear 1080p 60 frames per second feed. Mavic 3 Classic can automatically calculate and execute an optimal route back to a set home point. This intelligent and convenient feature that gives pilots greater peace of mind includes the drone and the DJI RC remote controller, which has the DJI Fly app pre-installed and built-in 5.5-inch HD display for crisp viewing even in direct sunlight. The waypoint flight function allows Mavic 3 Classic to automatically fly and precisely repeat the flight routes along pre-selected aerial points. To get the product, you can click on the link below the video. Do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification button. Thank you.